Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about variables. As we know that variable works as a container used for holding a data. In other programming languages like C, C++, and Java, it is necessary to write variables type before declaring a variable. But Python has no command for declaring a variable because Python is a dynamic type. So we do not need to write variable type before declaring a variable. Now we will see how to create a variable in other programming languages as well as in Python. In other programming languages, it is necessary to write int, string, float to tell the variable. You can hold only this data type. Here, int a is equal to 10. This procedure follow on other programming languages like C, C++, and Java. But in Python, a variable can create it when some value assigned to it. Here a is equal to 10. 10 assigned into a and a is a variable with 10 as its data value. Now we are going to see how to create a variable. Naming or variable can only be started with letter or underscore. Variables are case sensitive, which means that capital name and small name both are different variables. Now I'm going to create a variable name on the basis of this rule. MyVar is equal to hello within double quote. And also we have a variable which is start from underscore myvar is equal to hello within double quote. If we print myvar and underscore myvar, output will be printed on screen. But if we want to create a variable which is start from number, then it is printed on screen in error. Suppose 5 myvar is equal to hello within double quote. If we want to print 5 myvar, then we will see a syntax error. Assigning multiple values. Python allow to us assigning values to multiple variable in one line. We are creating a variable x comma y in one line. We can assign value in it. Suppose x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Python interpreter will automatically understand and 1 will be assigned to x and 2 will be assigned into y. We can print it separately using print function, and also we can print it in one line using print function. If we want to it print in one line, we can use print x comma y within parentheses. In Python, it is also possible to assigning the same value to multiple variables in one line. Here in this example, I am going to create three variables x is equal to y is equal to z, and we assign a string into all of them. If we want to print it, then we will get same output again and again. We are going to see how to combine text and variable and how to print it. Now, suppose you are an employee and you work in any tech company and the boss give you task to print all the employee name with hello. How can you achieve it? Think about it. So don't worry, I am going to tell you how to can you achieve it. You should create a basic template of your program. Suppose I am creating a variable var and assigning a name Rahul into var. Now we can write hello within double quote inside our print method, and we must be use plus or comma after string in your print method, and then you can write your variable name. If you will be print it, then output will become hello Rahul.